Excuse me? You're not allowed to videotape out there.
Why not?
You can't be recorded, sir.
I thought you said.
He wants to ignore us.
He's zooming in. You can't be recording in the
Yeah,
building.
because everybody might not want everybody to know they was in the welfare center January 2nd. You breaching everybody's confidentiality in here.
So as a courtesy for the other clients, we don't allow that. And if you don't start recording, then we're gonna have to ask you to come back another day.
I'm here to conduct business, right? I have the First Amendment right to record.
No, not in this building. You can't
Why
record
not?
in this building. They don't allow it. I already told you why.
Is it against the law?
For the building, yeah. So
I'm not
you have to
gonna
leave. You're not being serviced today. You're going to be detained for trespassing.
Okay.
Welcome back to my channel. This is News Now Ninja, and today's video is one of the biggest security meltdowns I've seen due to lack of education when it comes to public photography. But it doesn't end there, because once NYPD shows up, they're willing to arrest David New York, NYC, simply because he will not turn off his camera in a public place. Shout out to David New York, shout out to Good Guy. If y'all haven't already, get to the links in the description, and let's help David grow over 1,000 subscribers. Let him know News Now Ninja sent you, and let's get straight to it.
How are you? Not at the moment.
Okay.
I'll be right with you.
How you doing? I'm good. Excuse me? You're not allowed to videotape out there.
Why not?
Because that's where they work. Unless you was going in there to take care of business, why are you videotaping out there?
What's your name?
Why? How may I help you? How may I help you? Hi. No. Just have a seat. When they're ready, they'll attend to you. Let me see your ticket. Okay, you're on the right floor. You have a ticket or together?
She's my daughter.
Sir, excuse me. You cannot do that. You cannot video. You see the signs around that says you're not allowed to videotape?
What's your name? I just want to know who I'm speaking with. You're trying to give me orders.
Did you introduce yourself to me?
I didn't start talking to you, man.
I know, but you're up here, you're walking around, you're not doing anything. Most people that come on this floor has a ticket and they're coming here for a purpose. So when you're walking around videotaping, I work on this floor, so I'm asking you, what are you doing? Why are you videotaping? What's the matter?
And I was asking you what your name was.
Why?
Because you started talking to me.
Because that's my job, to talk to you. I don't have to tell you my name, but my job is to talk to you. So how may I help you?
I don't really want to talk right now. I don't know. I don't talk to strangers, man.
But then you didn't, you're not telling me who you are.
I didn't start the conversation, man. Respectfully.
Okay.
It's another sign. Just print it out.
Yeah. How you doing, sir? This ain't going there.
Sir?
I haven't gone in there.
Yeah, but you can't be
cannot go in
recorded
there.
or be in the area until the worker brings you back there, sir.
It's fine. The door's wide open.
Yeah, it is, but it's not an invitation. The
Yeah,
lights is
bro,
off.
He's doing extra.
So that means that there's not an invitation to come in.
If the door is wide open, that is an
Excuse
invitation. If the door is wide open,
Okay, first of all, you're up here and you don't have a ticket.
One, I
so
haven't-
That's not an invitation.
Father, don't even go
for
back
you
and forth. BC coming up here. He gonna
to-
handle
Okay.
it.
have a good day.
Yeah. You can't be recorded, sir.
I thought you said.
He wants to ignore us.
He's zooming in and he's doing.
I thought you said you wasn't gonna engage me no more.
Okay, so it's cool. It's my supervisor. My first day here, I ain't doing it.
You guys have a good day.
Excuse me.
That would be the right thing to do.
There's a clear sign that says you cannot do anything.
Everybody do what they want. Nobody's following rules.
There's no sign that says authorized personnel only. The door is wide open. Yeah, it's a public building.
You know how to read, so you know that.
I don't know how to read. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah. This gentleman right here, I don't know why he's up there. And from August, he told us from August.
August Hotel?
Yeah, he won't tell me why he's up here, and he's zooming in the back with his camera. I don't know what he's zooming back there for.
Oh.
This gentleman right here.
How you doing?
Sir, could I help you?
And he's still
How are you?
recording.
Can't be recording in the
Yeah,
building.
because everybody might not want everybody to know they was in the welfare center January 2nd. You breaching everybody's confidentiality in here. This man might not want nobody to know he was in the welfare center. This
There's
woman might
one.
not want to know. You're breaching everybody's confidentiality in here.
And you know
That's
what you're
not right.
doing?
You're violating.
You know what you're doing? You're escalating.
No, but
You're trying to involve other people.
No, I'm not, because you're violating.
You're escalating.
No, I have
You're
to.
escalating.
I have to.
You have to.
No, I have to.
You have to
tell you
observe
that.
and report.
No, I'm telling you, I'm observing it. You're breaching.
Your job is to
everybody's
observe and report.
confidentiality in here.
Your job is to
I
observe and
get that you're
report.
trying to. You have an issue. I understand that, but you're breaching everybody's confidentiality in here.
Really?
To prove your point, sir.
Did you see?
That's not right.
So she automatically
That's not right.
knows that I
Because
put
it's
people on
being on
camera.
camera. You don't want to be on camera.
You automatically think I put people on camera, right?
You're
You came
pointing
up
at-
here,
you're
immediately
pointing at him,
escalated.
you're pointing at
You came up
everybody.
here and immediately escalated, trying to start a riot.
Because I see
Yo,
it.
you know he's recording you.
No, I have.
Everybody in this building is on camera. As soon as you enter this building, you're on camera.
And they have it up there. You're not allowed to. You're not allowed to. That's why I'm working here, because I have to stress the rules. It's right here, sir.
Ma'am, have a good day.
It's right here.
Have a good day.
It's right there. It's right there.
That's what he's been doing since the
That's mine.
Where's the professionalism, man? You come up, you immediately escalate. When your job is to observe and report. And I told you I don't speak to strangers,
And
man.
I told you, and I asked you, how may I help you? I asked you, do you have a ticket? You telling me the same
I don't know who I'm speaking to, ma'am. I asked you, what's your name?
The last thing, the shelter. Is there anything else that you would like to add to what you were telling me?
So yeah, basically, essentially, on the 18th.
How y'all doing? Dudes right here don't want to stop recording.
Recording everybody in the waiting area, everybody. Clients working.
So they got the
everybody.
signs that we gotta remember and be mindful that other clients are being serviced, so they're sharing their personal business, they here, so you can't
I
record
explained
them.
that to him.
What's your name, ma'am?
My name is Miranda, everything is
That's
right.
my name, too.
Okay, nice to meet you.
And you
So-
are with what agency?
HRA.
Okay.
So as a courtesy for the other client, we don't allow that. And if you don't start recording, then we're gonna have to ask you to come back
I'm
another day.
here to conduct business.
Okay, yeah, but
Legal
you're,
and lawful business.
but you're recording people.
I haven't recorded not one private person in here.
You're
I have
recording.
a First Amendment right to record my government according to their duties. I'm in public. It's a public area. I'm not impeding business. I'm not anywhere I'm not supposed to be. That means I have a right to be here.
You
And I also
be
have a
here.
right
The issue
to.
is not that. The
And I
issue
also
is
have a
to
right.
record.
I have the First Amendment right to record.
No, not in this building. You can't record
Why
in
not?
this building. They don't allow it. I already told you why.
Is it against the law?
For the building, yes.
Yeah.
So you could be
Can you,
filming everything because of it.
For exercising my First
Because we're
Amendment.
gonna actually,
So
you're gonna
I-
continue to record.
You work for
Is it-
HRA or you work for DHS?
HRA. This is the HRA building, not DHS.
Okay. All right. So you're saying I don't have the right to conduct business in this building?
No, you can conduct your business.
Right, that's what I
without
came to
recording,
do.
But without recording.
I always record my business with the government. It's my First Amendment right too.
All right, so let's stop. Let's slow down. In this building, you cannot record, so we're gonna ask you to start recording. If you don't start recording, we're just gonna ask you to come back another day. Because they're not gonna service you while you're recording.
So you're saying you guys are denying me public services because
If
I'm
you continue
exercising
to
my
record,
rights?
yes.
If I continue to exercise my
Yes,
rights?
if you continue to record, yes.
Because they're not going to service you while you're
So you're saying you guys are denying me public services because I'm exercising my rights?
Yes.
If I continue to exercise my
Yes,
rights?
if you continue to record, yes.
If I-
Community advocacy,
Okay.
he's here on my behalf
Okay.
because of the problems I've been having with HRA. So he's here right now for my protection. I have business.
So you can conduct business, that's not the
Unless
issue.
you're exercising your rights.
The issue is recording. You can't record in the
Yeah, but he's
building.
doing
So
it
they
from my
have,
safe
they have,
There's been a lot
What's
of
the
retaliation.
what's
they
the
have
law?
signs posted everywhere in the building. They
Can
don't.
you
they
print
don't
out
want
the penal code for me?
that. You could look that up on your own. You could speak about it. I can't print up anything.
You're trying to
but
enforce it though. Can you
we're
at least give me the
telling
penal
you
code?
that you
Because you're
cannot.
enforcing it.
And the NYP.
Posted up there.
You can look at the signs if you like.
I didn't see not one sign that says no recording on this floor.
Have you in the lobby?
Maybe an HRA down there, but
He came here with you, and when I asked him how may I help him, do he have a ticket so that he could be serviced, he blatantly just continued to stand there. I don't know what he's recording back there. I don't know who he is. You understand what I'm saying? He did not address who he was. He didn't identify why he's here. He could be recording somebody back there, a young lady, a young man. I don't know. There could be a restraining order. Anything can be going on right here. So by you coming in here with him and you don't let us know what's going on, you're violating other people's
respectfully,
safety.
ma'am, you engaged me. I asked you what's
I
your
engaged
name,
you with it,
and I asked you
I
what your
told
name
you,
was.
and I told you that
You didn't want to give me your name, so I didn't want to have a conversation with you.
I don't have to introduce myself.
And I'm
to
not
you.
obligated to
You
speak to
came in this
anybody.
building- You came in this building on this floor.
I'm not
without a
obligated to speak to
ticket.
anybody.
Okay.
I have the
all
Fifth
right.
Amendment. I can stay quiet.
Being on this floor, you need a ticket, bottom line.
Come on.
So I'm gonna go downstairs, get a ticket, and I'm gonna come
And if you
conduct
continue
business.
to record, you're not going to be able to be in the building.
You're not telling me what penal code that is.
All right, you can
that
look
you're
in the
enforcing.
lobby.
You have a
Everything's in the
supervisor I
lobby.
can speak to?
No, he's not here today.
It's right here.
You guys are just running rampant with no supervisor.
He's not here. We're not running rampant.
So you don't have a supervisor I can
No,
speak to?
no,
There's
right
a
now.
sign on
It's
the
a sign
wall
right
that
there, sir.
clearly states
Why y'all
it's
yelling?
the law.
Why y'all
It
yelling?
clearly states this building. We're not doing. We're
Why
not
you yelling, though?
sir.
You are.
You're going around the issue.
You call
and
these
you're trying-
people, and then
you're
you don't
trying
even allow them
justify
to
what
handle
you're
it.
doing.
I'm exercising my rights in a public building,
Okay.
which I have the right to do. Is that a policy that you're forcing, or is it a law?
You want to go downstairs and look at it? It's downstairs. Come on.
Yeah. If it's a sign that somebody printed out, that's not a law. That's some shit that people printed out.
All right.
I'm asking you what the law is that you're enforcing.
You can't record in this building. That's bottom line. If you want to report it, we could give you the number to report it.
How?
But
If
that's
you-
a policy we
how
have
you
to
gonna give-
enforce. Yeah.
Oh, it's a policy.
Yeah.
You put policy over law?
When you came in, you
So,
turned on your body cam.
yeah.
Immediately. So you're recording me.
Yeah.
What's your name?
We have to record.
Right here.
That's Coleman. All right, come on, guys.
Go ahead.
No, you're going first.
Oh, wait.
Come on. What's the issue? Do you want to go see it or not?
I'm going to
You
go.
have to get tickets, so let's go.
Can you lead the way?
He's with me. He doesn't. He's my.
Sir, what's gonna happen is we just gonna ask him to leave the building, and then you just gonna be here by
You
yourself.
guys
You can
are-
come back another day. Like I'm not gonna keep going back and forth
Why you-
about something. I'm
that's
trying to
de-escalate,
help. So if you
de-escalate.
want to do it or not.
De-escalate.
All right, so
Bro,
let's
you want to be
go.
serviced, you got to start recording. Otherwise,
I'm not gonna keep-
talking. I can't talk to three people at the same time.
All right, you doing just fine. Let's
You
go.
need to
Come on.
de-escalate, man.
Yeah, I am.
De-escalate.
And you need to stop recording.
I don't.
All right, well you're gonna
It's
leave
protected.
the building.
It's
I promise
protected.
you'll be out the building.
The First Amendment's protected.
All right.
And I promise I'm going to hold all of y'all accountable.
Okay. All right, so you can just leave the building. You might as
And
well
I'm
leave.
going to request your
Yeah.
body camera, too.
Yes, take it.
I'm asking you what law are you enforcing?
All right, don't worry about it. You're gonna see it
I
downstairs.
have to worry about it.
You're gonna see it
Yeah,
downstairs.
yeah.
And if you continue to record after you see that, just leave the building because you're not gonna be able to get service. They're not gonna service you with you recording. They just not gonna do it. Again, there's so many people in this building. They don't want to be on your camera.
Look how this guy's looking at me.
They don't want to be. And then you antagonize and look how he's looking at you. Like, come on.
Your boy is
Are
standing
you
like
here
this
for
with his hands
service?
like this
Are you
right
here for
next to me like
service
he's
or
going to
not?
do
No,
something. So
that's
who's
how you just
antagonizing?
standing.
So who's
This is
antagonizing?
just standing.
Y'all
How you
corner me. Y'all
understand?
corner me into the
You're not
fucking
being
corner of the
cornered. You on the
elevator.
elevator.
All right then.
You are right.
All right
Nobody
then.
wants to be on your recording. You got her on your recording.
Don't
She
be a
don't want
public
to be
servant
there.
then. Don't be a public servant then. They're in public. I don't know what to
All
tell
right,
you.
and the front is posted.
Where's the sign? Show me.
right there.
No de-escalation training, I see.
Nah, it's de-escalation training. You being
Yeah, all right.
ignorant.
I'm ignorant for exercising my rights in public. I'm ignorant.
People don't want to be
I don't
on your
give. People are in
camera.
public. There's a camera. There's two cameras above your head. What are you talking about? There's no
They don't wanna
privacy
be
in
on your
public.
Facebook, none of that.
There's no privacy in public, and I'm not putting private people on my
We don't know
camera.
what you do. When
You work
get
for the
caught.
government, don't you?
You can look around.
You work for the government,
Look
don't you?
around.
That means I
Look
can
around.
record you.
Look around. Watch
Where's the
around.
penal code? Where's the penal code on this sign?
All right, sir. Have a good day.
Where's the penal code on that sign?
Go to me when we make a report.
Where's the penal code on the sign? What law are you enforcing? That's a policy.
You can't be-
You don't put policy over law.
Like, you
You don't.
just not
What
getting
law? What law am I breaking?
Go to me when we make
What
a
law am I
report.
breaking? You're a peace officer, right? What law am I breaking? All right then.
Do you have a supervisor? Because I do
They're not
have
here.
a.
They're
Please.
not here right now.
This just says please be considerate. That's a request. That's not a.
People
That's not a
are
law.
here.
Please
You don't
be
know
considerate.
why
That's a
they're here.
request.
They don't wanna
That's a
be
request.
on your recording. Come on.
I'm not here to record private people. I record you because you work for the government. You work for the government. You work for the government. I can record you all day long. I can record you all day long. Those public servants up there, I can record all day long. And of course, they duties. So what's going to happen if I go back in this building?
You're going to get restrained. and
What's
you're
going to
gonna get
happen?
summoned. That means you're
Summons for what crime?
Alright,
You never
sir,
asked me to
If you want
leave.
to get service, you can, but you cannot record. So if you here to
not
conduct
true.
service,
Did you ask me to
you can
leave?
go upstairs. Yes, I'm asking you to leave.
Oh, okay, because you can't trespass me until you ask me to
I
leave.
did. I said you
All
continue
right.
to leave. We
All
asked
right.
you to leave. So again, you can leave the
I
building.
need you write down your names and badge numbers. Write it down.
I'm not writing it down. You take
Whoa,
notes.
whoa. Are you a police or are you an officer?
No, she's a
Because that's not policy.
No, I don't have to write it down. You just have to
So
get
then
it.
do you have a business card?
He has it. No, I don't have a business card. We don't have a
But then,
business card.
what I need to happen is I need to speak to a supervisor because
No
you're
supervisor's
clear.
here.
So then we need to call an NYPD
So
because
then you need to call NYPD.
you don't know the law right now.
So call NYPD.
I'm not gonna call them. I have a ticket,
You
and
can
I'm
get service,
gonna.
but you cannot be
It's not-
upstairs
that's
recording.
false.
So if you want to,
That's not true.
You
Where's
can
the
go
law?
upstairs. You
That's
can't
not
record.
true, man.
Where's the
All
law?
right. Have a good day,
Where's
sir.
the law on the sign? There's no law on the sign. It says please.
Come on, y'all.
That's a request. That's not a law.
Please don't come back in
Why
this building.
don't you honor
trespassing.
your oath to the Constitution?
I'm telling you, listen to me. Back
You're
up.
touching me.
Your services is done for the day, so that's it. Back
Ma'am,
up.
you're touching
I
me.
am. I'm asking you to back up.
I'm
You're not being
asking you to call
serviced.
NYPD.
You could call NYPD.
All
What
right.
am I calling NYPD for?
All right.
Now, I'm not calling NYPD.
You can't deny me services.
No, I am denying you
You
services
can't.
because
All right, so
your
call-
services are terminated because
then-
you're recording.
so then what
They
I'm
don't
saying
want you
is,
upstairs recording.
You're
now.
gonna get the city in a lot of trouble right now. So I'm
All right.
saying,
And I'm saying you
going,
could- and
what
you
I'm
can
telling you
legally
is, I'm
make a
going to
report.
push that
You
issue.
can.
If you're gonna
I want you
detain
to
me
push that issue.
or arrest
I
me,
want you to push that issue because
then
we
need
have
to
this
do
problem
that.
all the
All
time
right.
with people.
All right.
So I would like it too.
Okay, you would like
All right.
it?
Yeah, I would like you to push the issue and record it.
I am.
Watch your back. Let people inside.
There's two other
Yes, you should. You absolutely
No,
should. If you feel like you
I'm
have the
not-
right to do that, then
and
you should record it.
I am.
There's no problem. I don't have a problem with that. I'm okay with that.
All right.
But you can't be serviced upstairs
I
recording.
asked for your supervisor.
He's not here today.
Okay, so
He's
then,
not here today.
since you don't know what you're talking about, I'm going to continue
Every
with my
day-
ticket that I have.
Every day we go through the same
All right.
thing. People
And
cannot,
today's going to be the day that you learn.
People cannot record.
Today's
okay?
gonna be the
so
day
if you
that
want to
you-
report it, it's fine. But you
I have a
cannot
First
be in
Amendment
here.
right to do that.
I know everyone
And can
says
you
the
please
same
stop
thing.
obstructing me from getting in
All
the
right, I'm
building?
asking you to leave. So
I'm not
you
gonna
have to leave.
leave.
You're not being
I'm not
serviced
gonna
today.
leave.
Then you're
I'm
going to
not
be
gonna
detained
leave.
for trespassing.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right. So, sir, turn around. This is ridiculous.
You want me to wait for you?
Sir, you can leave the building.
You want me to take your phone? I am leaving. You see the door open? I'm leaving.
Do you have a wheelchair? Because I don't walk. I can't walk in here.
No, you can walk. It's not on your feet. It's not on your feet.
So what I'm saying is I'm not resisting. I'm just saying
I know.
I can't walk.
You was walking perfectly fine.
I can't walk.
All right.
Want EMS?
Do you need EMS?
No, I just need
No, we
to
don't
get
have
the table.
Yeah, I know.
All right.
You walking perfectly fine. Do you need
I don't
EMS?
walk in here.
Do you need EMS?
I need a wheelchair to the table.
Sir,
So you
why?
want EMS or not?
All right, so then you need to get up. All right, so you're going to drag. Inside this area. So you can open door.
And so after grabbing David, cuffing him, and dragging him through this building like some type of criminal, they charged him with trespass, even though these officers made it very clear that the only issue was them recording in public areas. And the officer even wrote on the ticket, quote, "I'm not leaving, I have the right to record," end quote, showing even further that the only reason for all of this was public photography. If you made it this far into the video, please take a moment to get to the link in the description for David New York NYC, because he's less than 20 subscribers away from 1,000, and I would like to help to push him to that today. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments section, and I'll see you on the next one.